Most Subaru key fobs use a 3-volt CR2032 lithium battery, though some older models may use CR1620 or CR1220. First, locate the seam on the key fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver, coin, or plastic pry tool to gently pry open the case. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, note the battery type and polarity, positive side up, before removing the old battery. Confirm the correct battery type in your owner's manual or on Subaru's website. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity. The positive side should face up, and make sure the battery is seated correctly in the fob. Carefully reassemble the key fob case, ensuring all parts align properly and it snaps or screws securely back together. Test the key fob's functionality by pressing the buttons multiple times to ensure a strong signal and proper operation. Finally, dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly by taking it to a recycling center to prevent environmental harm.